Tell me, what's the creepiest experience you ever had in your life and why you still think about them?
Many, many years ago, when I was about 13, 14, I had a terrifying dream that my brother had a seizure and stopped breathing, and I had to give him CPR, and there was like this owl, and there was all this like representation, animal, and symbolism in my dream. I woke up sweating, crying. I just sat at the kitchen table from like 4 a.m. to whenever my parents woke up, crying, and I told them about it. And then 3 days later, my brother had a seizure, stopped breathing. I had to give him CPR. He was wearing the same pajamas and everything. It was the craziest thing. He was laying in the same position. I was standing in the same position towards him, watched him have the seizure. I held him. I picked him up. I noticed he wasn't breathing. I started CPR, and then it's like I went into my dream. It was like I was like right back into my dream, into my body. It was the craziest thing. He was in a coma for days. He came out of it. He's fine. He is thriving and a wonderfully healthy person now, but I hesitate to even tell that story because a lot of people wouldn't believe me, but I told my mom days before and it happened. What does that mean?